I am Rachel Amesqua, your new literacy coach. I'm very excited to be in Madison Ram. I've met many of you, and I'm excited to meet everybody else as the school year starts. Every 2 weeks, on that Monday, I will send out a newsletter that gives you pertinent information for our English Language Arts team. So this first newsletter introduces me. My email is here, my cell number is here if you need me or have questions. The main focus of this newsletter will be our professional development in-service, which is August 3rd from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. at McGavock High School. There's a link in there, so if you want to use Google Maps. I recommend parking on the north side. It sounds like that's where most of the sessions will be, and that is the parking lot adjacent to McGavock Pike. Here is your agenda. We will start with registration from 8 to 8:30. All middle school ELA and EL teachers will have their first session together in the auditorium for a keynote. Then you will have the opportunity to choose a session 2 and a session 3. The session list is attached to this email. So some session recommendations. If you are brand new to teaching My Perspectives, this is your first year ever teaching it, MMPS recommends that you do the first read, close read session in the presentation room. That's on the north side. And that will be both sessions 2 and sessions 3. So you will be in there the whole time. If you have taught My Perspectives before, I went through the list and I looked at what's being offered and thought about what our focuses are at Madison. And this is a list of recommendations. Now you can choose what you would like to take, but these seem to align with what we will be focusing on this year, especially with AVID and supporting our EL students, also with unit planning. I personally am going to do these 2 sessions. One has to do with closing instructional gaps using small group, and the other one has to do with differentiating between performance-based assessments and performance tasks. So if you have any questions, needs, concerns, again, you're welcome to email me, call me, or text me, and I look forward to seeing you there.